Alright, so what do you do now that you've finished your animation and you want to string a bunch of them together? Well, in order to do that, we're going to use a program called Adobe Premiere. Excuse me. And you're going to do a file, you're going to do an export, you're going to save for web legacy. And the settings should already be fine. You can just go ahead and click save and it'll ask you where you want to put it. I'll just put it on the desktop right now. And there we go. Now that I've done that, I have an animated GIF of this particular project. So if you click here, you'll see that I have a file of the animation right there. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go into a program called Adobe Premiere, and I'm going to open up a new project. We can call this one animation, or your name animation if you want. And what we're going to do is we're going to take those GIFs from our desktop, and I have a few of them. I'll start with that one I just did. It was called Duda Animation. And let's add a few more here. We get the sunrise, and I think these are from 3 different projects, so they probably won't fit together, but let's just start here with the Duda Animation, and you'll drag it from here to your timeline. And let's go ahead and take another one, put it right next to it, and put this one right next to that. So now when we hit play, it'll actually go through all of these GIFs. Just play them in sequence. You might notice that some of them seem a little bit choppy when you do this, and if that's the case, that has to do with the frame rate, and I can help you with that. You just call me over and I'll show you how you can resolve that problem. You're also going to be able to add some music down here. This is where the video tracks go. This is where the audio tracks go. So if you can find some sound clips, there's a website called Incompetech that is really good for finding royalty-free music. Just click on royalty-free music and view collections at incompetech.com, and there's all sorts of great royalty-free stuff that you're allowed to use. There's also a website called freesound.org, and it's currently blocked. I'm working on getting it unblocked, but you can also go here, create an account, and it allows you to you can click on sounds like explosion, and there's a bunch of sounds here of explosions you can download. And again, in order to download them, you have to have an account or they'll be logged in. So that's it. Have a good day.